Hello everyone, welcoming you all back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on this gorgeous Indian traditional look. And my today's beautiful model is Riddhi Banerjee. Without wasting time, let's see how I have created this look. Firstly, I will be doing the eye makeup and I am starting from eyebrow. To fill her eyebrows, here I am using Morphe eyebrow pomade in the shade Java. Now, just combing eyebrows with a spoolie to remove the excess. Next, I am using a concealer to correct the eyebrows and as an eyeshadow base. For that, I am using LA Girl Concealer, which is my all-time favorite. Now blending with a beauty blender. Now I am taking this dark purple shade from Morphe James Charles palette, applying onto her crease with a pencil brush. Then blending with a fluffy blending brush. I didn't take any shade, just blending with a bare brush. Now I am reapplying that dark purple shade. Now taking this beautiful shimmery purple shade and applying on inner half of our eyelid with a flat fluffy brush. Then taking this metallic violet from Juvia's Masquerade palette and applying on outer half of eyelid with that same brush. Then blending with a fluffy bare brush. Next I am taking this matte black shade, applying on outer corner just a little bit with a pencil brush, then blending with a fluffy brush. This will give some depth to her eyes. Now applying the same dark purple shade on her lower lash line with a pencil brush, then blending this shade. After that I have applied that matte black. Now applying Inglot gel liner in the shade 77 on her waterline. Before doing the face makeup, removing fallouts of eyeshadows with Garnier Makeup Remover. Next using MAC Strobe Cream as a primer, as she didn't have any pores, so I didn't have to use any silicone base or any other primer. You can see this is giving her face a sheer glow. To correct her tiny little spots, I am using orange corrector from LA Girl. Then blending with a beauty blender. As she doesn't have any dark circles, so I didn't have to use any yellow corrector, directly applying Kryolan paint stick, mixing two shades to match her skin tone. This is full coverage. Guys, you will find all the product details in the description. Now blending with a buffing brush, which is from PAC. To highlight her face, applying a lighter shade concealer on these points of her face. Now to contour her face using a dark brown shade concealer. Always take little amount of any dark shade concealer or eyeshadow at first, then gradually increase the amount as required to avoid any mess. Applying a little bit on her forehead. It will make the forehead look a little bit smaller in size. Always blend cream contour first, then blend the cream highlighter. For baking her face makeup, I am using a translucent powder from RCMA. To get a long-lasting makeup, baking is very important. After some time, I have to remove the excess powder with a brush. Using setting spray in the end will make the powder melt and settle down on skin. Now using Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics as a powder contour. Taking this shimmery peach shade from Morphe 8W Blush Palette as a blusher. Next, taking this golden highlighter from Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette and applying on high points of her face. Using the same highlighter for highlighting her inner corner and brow bone. For mascara, using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, it is waterproof. I wanted to do a soft eye makeup matching the sari color with bold black shade on lower lash line. I didn't want to apply eyeliner on her upper lash line, but for some reason I had to apply eyeliner, so I couldn't shoot that step. Really sorry for that. For lips, using a nude peachy tone lipstick. I have created this look for photo shoot. You can also apply this makeup on a bride too. If you want to do this makeup on a real bride, then you should use a liquid matte lipstick which is smudge proof and long lasting. This is the look after wearing all jewelries and after doing the hair. Hope you will like this look. If my tutorials helps you, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. You will get notifications whenever I will upload new videos. You can see my bridal work on my FB page and Instagram too. I will give those links in the description. You can follow me there. Thanks everyone to watch my videos till the end. Goodbye, take care, see you in next week.